Welcome everyone. To use the continuity camera on both your iPhone and Mac, you need to open up the settings, and inside of the settings, make sure that the Apple ID you are signed into on both the iPhone and the Mac are the same. Also make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on for both the iPhone and the MacBook. You don't need to be connected to the same network. You don't even need to be on the Wi-Fi network, but the Wi-Fi should be turned on. Once you have done this, you will need to be in an app which has the camera option. So I'm in the QuickTime player, and in the QuickTime player, to get the camera on, I've selected File, and then there's the new movie recording there. The movie recording uses the camera, but you can use FaceTime, you can use Zoom, it does not matter. You now need to find the option to change what camera you are using. So I'm going to tap on the arrow here, and you should see your iPhone's camera. Now, if you don't, lock your iPhone. So I'm going to lock the iPhone, and the camera's still not showing. So I'm going to reopen the app in question. So I'm going to reopen the QuickTime player. I'm going to repeat the earlier steps. And so I'm not seeing anything here. If this is still not working, I'm going to turn off my iPhone. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn this one back on. And after the restart here, I'm going to lock the iPhone again. I'm just going to make sure the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. And there you go, you can see the camera is now showing up for my iPhone. So we're going to select the camera here. And there we go. So you can see the continuity camera is now working. You can see right there earlier, the iPhone was not showing up. Now the iPhone is showing up. If you want to edit the effects, you're going to see the control center here. Tap on the control center. And under video effects, you can change the effects. So we have center stage, and I'm just going to continue here. This will now use your ultra wide camera. So it's going to use your ultra wide if you have one. And if I put my face here, however I move, it's going to make sure that I'm in the frame. So if I do it like this, see, it's going to keep my face in the frame like that. And we also have here the portrait lighting. So you can see the background is now blurred because of the portrait lighting. Studio light, you can change the lighting effect so it's like in the studio. A little bit glitchy there, but we also have the desk view. So what this does is if you put your iPhone on the top of your Mac, you can see the on screen here, and I continue, and I start the desk view, you can essentially act like, you know, if you had something on your desk, you would be able to showcase it. So let's say you had something here on your desk. Even though my camera is pointing towards me, I can see things facing down. Your fingers may look a little bit weird, a little bit longer, but you have the desk view there, and you can zoom in or out to have the desk view larger or smaller. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.